You mad, bro?
Hi. What the fuck?
Hey, Louie, what happened? Did you get into something?
Doesn't know which one he wants.
Thank you. Yours. Давай.
Kevin, why is the neighbor's golden retriever pregnant? I'm not even mad. I just want to know how you did it. Like,
Love you, Mr. Bugs. You love me too? No? Oh, no. I think he loves me.
Yeah, I got you. I got this on camera.